So that is gonna do it for this one. Got a lot done today. I'm really happy with. Got that oil pan on there, and as you guys just saw, timing cover is done. Crank that bolt down to 70 foot-pounds, and then go ahead and basically just beat the heck out of the washer until it's over the sides of the bolt. That way it can't back itself out no matter what. So, big day today. I'm excited for the next one. I think next thing is gonna be getting this engine back on the hoist, getting the flywheel on there. I gotta take the flywheel somewhere so they can do the ring gear for me. You actually heat it up to get it off. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching. I always love making these videos. I hope you guys enjoy them. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them. Maybe even subscribe. But either way, guys, thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one, all right?